Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with FileCloud, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring files with FileCloud, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official FileCloud website and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard displaying all your files and folders. To upload a file, click on the Upload button, usually located at the top of the interface. You will be prompted to select a file from your computer. Choose the file you wish to upload and click Open. The file will begin uploading, and a progress bar will indicate the upload status. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your dashboard. To transfer a file to another user, locate the file you want to share. Right-click on the file to reveal a context menu. Select the Share option from the menu. A sharing dialog will open where you can enter the recipient's email address. You can also customize the sharing settings. Choose whether to allow editing or set an expiration date for the link. After adjusting the settings, click the Send button. The recipient will receive an email notification with a link to access the file. To transfer multiple files at once, select the files by checking the boxes next to them. After selection, click on the More Actions option in the toolbar. Choose the Share option from the drop-down menu. Similar to sharing a single file, enter the recipient's email address and adjust settings as needed. Finally, click Send to share the selected files. If you prefer to use the FileCloud mobile app, download it from your device's App Store. Open the app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the files you wish to transfer. Tap on the file you want to share, and then select the Share option. Enter the recipient's email address and adjust any sharing settings. Tap Send to complete the transfer. To download files from FileCloud, navigate to the desired file in your dashboard. Right-click on the file and choose the Download option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.